Ever wondered how to identify and resolve gaps in your processes or systems? Brace yourself as we demystify the process, step by step. First, understanding your process or system is crucial. Imagine crafting a SciPocky diagram that outlines the supplier, input, process, output, and customer. This gives you a bird's-eye view of your system, setting the stage for a comprehensive assessment. Output. Next, quantify your system's performance. Use a variety of metrics like cycle time, defect rate, and customer satisfaction to measure efficiency, quality, and effectiveness. Data tools like check sheets, histograms, or Pareto charts can provide a detailed picture of your performance. Once you've measured, it's time for comparison. Check your system's performance against the desired benchmarks. This comparison brings to light the gaps or deviations from expected performance. You might see quality gaps, efficiency gaps, or satisfaction gaps. Use tools like fishbone diagrams or SWOT analysis to visualize and prioritize these gaps. With gaps identified, it's time to dig deeper and find the root causes. These are the underlying reasons for the gaps. Use analysis tools like the 5 Whys or cause and effect matrix to uncover these causes. Always validate your findings with hard evidence and data. Now, we move to solutions. Implement strategies that target the root causes of these gaps. Brainstorming sessions or decision analysis tools can help generate viable solutions. Choose those that are effective, feasible, and cost-efficient. Lastly, monitor and assess your results. Compare your metrics against your baseline and desired benchmarks. Use feedback mechanisms like surveys or audits to evaluate the impact of your solutions. If there are any residual gaps, they'll need your attention. In summary, bridging the divide in your processes or systems involves understanding your system, quantifying performance, identifying gaps, finding root causes, implementing solutions, and monitoring results. It's a journey, but one that can lead to significant improvements in your performance. So, are you ready to bridge the divide?